Having an email list is super important when building a business. I highly recommend having an email list. Why? If you do not have an email list, you do not have a business in my own personal experience. So in today's video, let me emphasize more on the importance of having an email list. My name is Joshua DeLeo and I love helping entrepreneurs to create results faster, whilst most importantly living and enjoying a good fulfilled life. So an email list, how do you actually integrate an email list? You need to actually get a tool that actually has a all-in-one functionality of a sales funnel. Why? If you do not, it can be confusing and actually hard if you are not tech savvy to put together or integrate a email list into your business. You actually need professional help, a mentor or a community or some expert that can actually direct and assist you into having a email list or a email automated responder. Remember, your email list can continually work for you on autopilot when this is plugged in and you actually have the email sequences that you can send your potential prospect once they hop on into your capture page. So your capture page is the first step on how you can get people inside of your email automated responder, and that is the first step on how you will actually build your email list when you capture your prospects email address onto a capture page. This way, whenever the need be, you can always upsell a product or personalize a message in your email automated responder so that that message can send out to your potential market you are trying to lure into viewing your products, your services, or opportunity, or if you have a new offer, something new, anything new, and you just want them to have a look so that they can make a particular or consider whether or not this product or service is a suitable fit for them right now. So that is the importance of having a email list. Why you can always get back to your email list in case of if potential prospects are just hanging on the line and have never actually made a decision whether yes or no into actually buying or having a look at what you are doing online, whether it's having a unique product that can solve XYZ problem or having a unique service or opportunity that can actually drive their results to greater heights or solve the pain point they are struggling with right now. So your email list can do a lot of amazing things, but the first step is to actually get an expert, as I mentioned, to set up these things for you. Why? It can be hard and expensive or pricey to actually set up a sales funnel if you do not know which tools to have. Or many a times, the first time I tried setting up a sales funnel, I failed horribly. There were multiple integrations that I had to plug in, and I never had the money or the funds to actually integrate email automated responders, getting an email list, a capture page. I just, everything was incomplete on my stand store. And, this way I failed miserably. Why? I tried doing everything on my own. My ego got in the way, thinking, what, I can figure out the online world on my own. And that is the worst. The worst mistake you can make. Believe me, you can fail over and over for many years and think if you get that professional assistance and guidance, that expert that can actually assist and help you to actually set up your sales funnel, you have that thing working for you continuously. So why not take the time to learn about sales funnels and get the right people that can actually build and set up this system for all-in-one system for you that actually can capture people's email address, build your email list, send out email sequence, autoresponders on complete. My favorite word, autopilot. That is what I love. And actually allow you to generate leads, and that leads can convert into paying customers. That is the lifeblood of online business. As I mentioned, without an email automated responder or you having an email list, you basically out of business. You always need to look and hound and actively prospect for new clientele. And that can be draining, exhausting, especially if you are brand new or if you are working full time or even studying full time. Where do you get the time to actually actively prospect? So this is beneficial both ways. When you are working full time or studying full time and you have your all-in-one system doing a lot of heavy lifting work for you, while you just need to be actively on social media, adding value, being or creating awareness out on what you are doing, your brand awareness, your brand identity, what you stand for, and what you represent. And people will be honed in and in tuned into wanting to consume more of your content. And at the future date and time, this can create more awareness where they will take interest or they will start to consider whether or not buying into your products and services. So getting an email list is highly recommended. I suggest you get it yesterday or today. So if this video was helpful, thank you and you're welcome. If you actually need help and assistance setting up a all-in-one sales funnel, I will leave a description. I will leave a link in the description down below and I'll see you in the inside. Thank you and you're welcome.